So when we first started, we sold our initial experiences, like this subscription to immersive training to medical schools and nursing programs. And we also started working with senior living providers to train their staff. And so those were like the first places we went to say, how does this help an incoming healthcare worker understand, in this case, Alzheimer's disease through the patient's eyes? And then how does this help train staff members caring for older adults? But since then, now we work with government, and so groups like local area agencies on aging or departments of social services, and they not only train maybe their teams of caseworkers, but also offer it to things like in-home support services training, which is like the government support for caregivers that can get actual like government aid and assistance and monetary compensation by doing this training. And then we started working with the National VA's innovation ecosystem a couple years ago, and actually finished a study with staff training in VA medical centers to look at how this, the Alzheimer's experience and a couple others, help them be more prepared as staff members to care for the veteran populations that they serve. And then that kind of research that they did has helped support this to grow in the VA. And we're not yet working with the caregiver kind of component of the VA through their community-based centers, but we're talking with them about how this might become supportive for the caregivers of veterans. So kind of this through line of like the care continuum of home and community-based services and senior living to academia to government. It's created a really important way to build a business that's meaningful, because we're able to co-create, like we co-create and build all of our experiences now with the groups that are using them. And it's become a way to like build with and then support meaningfully this goal of seeing through the experiences of those we're caring for. Well, we have our website, embodiedlabs.com. We also have a lot of partners in the different states. Right now we work a lot in California, Colorado, and Arkansas. It's kind of our first three at this kind of state level. And then we have academic partners. So kind of if someone's interested in Embodied Labs, we try to say, where are you located? Can we build, get you connected with a partner, or if they can subscribe themselves. We have ways to use immersive training, whether you have like a VR hardware or not. And if you want the VR hardware, we've also made that really easy to support and provide.